1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
We're here, guys. This is fucked up. And it's like 4:30 a.m. So that goes to tell y'all the trip is going. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Yasie. Today's video is going to be a vlog, but I just wanted to come in and explain a couple things before I got into the video, because me and my best friend almost missed our flight. So yeah, so if you guys did not see the last video, which was the get ready with me, it's gonna be linked up here. Basically, it was a last minute trip. You barely had time to really prepare for it. The day before our flight, my best friend's sister was having her graduation / birthday party. I literally said in the video, I was like, I hope I'm not drunk on the plane, because that's not gonna be a good experience. So throughout the night, I control myself. I'm like, I can't get drunk. Tipsy maybe, but drunk definitely not. Leaving that for the yard, because they were taking a lot of shots. And you know, when you party with your family or your friends, if one person's taking a shot, you're all taking a shot. I don't know if it works like that for y'all, but for us it works like that. So they kept saying shots, and I'm like, I took a couple, but then I was like, okay, I gotta stop. We got a flight. We gotta wake up at what, 3, 4 in the morning. Probably not go to sleep. Our flight was leaving at 6 in the morning. But my best friend did not even pack, and she was just gonna do the party, whatever, come back in the house at 12 something, 1, and pack, get ready for our trip, right? No, wrong. She got drunk. She got fucked up. So eventually she comes in the house. I'm stressing out. I'm like, yo, we're gonna miss our flight. She's still drunk. She's probably not even gonna recover till the next morning. I was stressing out, because I was like, we did not spend all this money for us to miss our flight. So I'm like, fuck it, I'm gonna pack for her, because we're gonna make this flight. She can recover in DR. I find her passport, I got it. She eventually started feeling better, so I was like, okay, kind of a green light. I'm gonna order a cab and we're gonna go. So yeah, we made it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you watch to the very end, and let's get into this video.
Look at your feelings, show me you want it. You've been a fan, ain't no more talking. Need you to back it up. Back it up. Oh, you been feeling, body been calling. You know this good shit, you better on it. I need you to back it up. Yeah, back.
Hello?
Ain't no time to play with you, had your time to get with it. Now I'm in your face with it, what you gon' do with it? Legs up to the ceiling, know that I'm a freak with it. Hit you when I need it, but you know what it is. Look at your feelings, show me you want it. You've been a fan, ain't no more talking. Need you to back. Yeah, back it up.
Guys, I'm literally sweating bullets by now. It's not even funny. Alright, first look. Whew, it's so nice here. Hey. Hey. We got a little mirror here. A little vanity. I'm out of breath, guys. Now chair. A little living room spot or whatever. A little fridge. Oh, wait. This fridge looking a little rusty, but that's her bed. This is my bed. And then we got a little, well, a big balcony. How fuck with this? Hold on, let me see if it's shareable. Help. Hello? Oh. Okay. Ugh. It's not shareable. This is our balcony. That's valid. We could have a whole party out here. What?
I'm jumping over waves for a minimal gaze. Running up the top, but they say it's a phase. Taking down costs like we're spending the day. Making up ground like we paving the way. We don't stop, running miles. Bar hop till the eye, yeah. Couple white clouds and I'm up on the go. Bringing the friends by the end of the show. High tides rolling through the sunrise. We can stay up all night where we wanna go. I don't wanna know. High tides rolling through the sunrise. We can stay up all night where we wanna go. I don't wanna know. Don't stop living that lifestyle. Feeling this way, it's been a while. While I'm always feeling like there's something on the go. Always in my head like I left it on the stove. You know one day gon' flash in a minute. The lights turn on and the next you gon' miss it. Rolling on through should be something so different. I'm bouncing on by, walk hop in those digits. Freestyle like I'm on top of a wave. Someone coming live, so get out my way. Grab another drink, so check out my sway. Send them on home in the middle of the day. Cooking so hot, that skin's on a glow. Skin's gon' block all that melanin show. I don't wanna hear while I'm up in the skid. No need to knock while we up in the clear.
The next day.
Good morning. Oh, I'm so tired. It's 9 a.m. We had to take our COVID test today. It's so cold in here. So good morning, guys. So it's day 2. Oh, I still have makeup on my eye. It's day 2. I barely vlogged yesterday. I just kind of like showed the resort because we got here and we was like trying to be out, enjoy the rest of the day that we had because we're gonna have a full day, obviously. So as soon as we got here, we showered, we changed into our bathing suit, and we went to the pool. I'm so tired right now. We went to sleep at like, well, I went to sleep at like 3 a.m. I'm gonna get ready for I'm sorry, guys. I'm still sleeping. Oh my God, wake the fuck up. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to get ready for the day. We're gonna get breakfast and then we're gonna take our COVID test. So we're gonna do that today and I'll catch you guys later. All right, guys, so quick update. It's the second day. It's currently like 12, about to be 1. We're going to a boat party in like an hour. Finally, I've always wanted to go to a boat party, and then after the boat party, like we're on the boat, we get to jump off into the natural pools. It's gonna be real cute. I wanted to take my camera, but I can't find my other SD card, and the SD card that's in the camera right now, it's only 8 gigabytes. So right now I'm just like, I was gonna take a nap, but I just been taking like pictures and stuff like that. So I'm gonna change this top because as you guys can see, it's like really small. Go find the beach, bro. What's the beach? Where's the beach? Alright, y'all, so like I told you, we're going to a boat party, but we need towels, so we're running back to the beach to go back over there, and it's 2 p.m. and they're gonna pick us up at 2:05, so we gotta go. Oh shit. Oh.
I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? Do you feel
That water is salty as hell. My eyes are burning. But we about to go in again for the video. Today. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god. What is that?
I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? It's been a long time now since we've been face to face, and I think it's kind of funny how we ended up in the same place. 'Cause I've been running around in circles looking for a taste of something different, something I don't want to waste. I guess the only question that I have today for you is, I said, hey.
I'm so tired. Like, look at my eyes. Look like I got died.
Or between your seat.
So that was the end of the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Comment, share with a friend. Send it to your mom, your dad, your bestie, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. Tell them to send it to their friend, and you get the gist. Just share it, alright? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Bye.